What do we have to do? Show us again.
I haven't even got a kiss or nothing, so I'm sure I ain't getting
I bet you if you go give her a big kiss and a hug, she might do it for you.
Okay. Oh my God. Really? And a kiss? Oh.
Okay, now you have to
Hey, tell her,
dance.
Aunt.
Show her how to dance.
Now. Okay, it's our turn. Get her out. Go get her. Hurry, grab it.
Rose
Oh my gosh. And Susie don't even dance.
Okay, show us
So how we
how.
gotta do it?
You do tonight.
Everybody else.
Okay.
What do we
My
do
foot
now? Come on. Oh, get up, Punky. Jerry,
Get up.
Jerry.
Get up.
What's up?
Everyone get up.
Everybody get up.
Everyone get up. Okay, Kellen, show us what
Get
we're
up,
doing.
Punky. Come on, Punky. Come on, Dad.
Okay, show us what we're doing.
Come
She
on.
knows better.
Mom.
No, ain't gonna happen. You might as well do your thing.
Okay.
Really, Mom?
Mom
Okay.
would probably do it.
Kellen,
too,
go ahead.
Even though Mom would.
eating dinner.
Okay, Kellen, show us.
Okay, we're ready.
Just get on your knees.
Oh my God. Wait, some of us might not
Do
get
we
back
have
up.
to get up?
You just gotta get up and do this.
Okay.
And this, do this. And this, this, talk about if
weather?
we need to day.
Okay. Now what with our legs?
We
Anything?
got to this,
Oh, this.
this,
Look at her track on her.
Are you dancing, Kellen?
do this.
Are you choreographing?
Do this. Everybody. Jerry. Come on, snap, snap.
And snap.
And snap.
And just get the shows over.
Show,
Just gotta do this.
Okay, that's releve.
Okay, now this
He doesn't want to.
and do this.
Okay.
And just get up.
Is that it?
And this,
Doesn't he have to spin or something?
On his hair.
Yeah.
Show me what to do. You're the choreographer. Oh, okay. Like that?
and this, do this gotta stay what, do gotta,
Tell the camera.
and,
Show me what to do.
okay, this gotta,
Cross my leg.
do this,
Okay.
jump up,
Like that?
yeah, and you just gotta, just do this,
Okay. Attitude?
yeah,
Okay. Oh, with a sickled foot. My fans will like that.
and just get up,
Oh, just like this.
Hashtag no sickle.
Did we do it?
and I'm
Okay.
doing salsa.
Sautés? That's really good. You're doing your sautés?
I'm doing sausage.
And then your contemporary floor work? Nice.
And this servant
Nothing but start out there. So you're down. I'm in charge of the stoplights out there. Solar powered temporary stoplights we got for bridge. No, nothing but start.
You're really good with floor work, Kellen.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I
Big finish.
did.
Big finish. Arms up in the air.